previous video I have covered inside and this is outside. So our main entrance will be given here in this place, and here will be the bike parking area, two-wheeler parking area. Our board from there to till here we can place our signage board. So this will be the main entrance. This will be the only main entrance, but board will be placed until here, and this part will be belongs to Bata only, but owner said we can place a board up to here. So this will be the entrance. So the transformer belongs to this building only, and this here the parking will be for Bata only, and here we'll get the parking for our box side.